Today's challenge is about hats, or not losing them. This weekend, lots of activity outside, could be really high winds, and then we're going to an amusement park where the rides go up to 70 miles an hour. And I'm going to put this concept of hat clips to the test. Works on hats whether they have a back like this, or even in heavy winds. I know some of us turn things around and you can just clip it right here like that. And you'll be able to keep your hats from being taken out by the wind. There are times when you may want to take off your hat and you don't want to hold on to it. So what can you do? Just flip it in the back like that. Or take the straps and clip it on to your coat like this. Backpack, or you can put it on a pocket or a waistband or the shirt. The flexibility of this design is what makes it great. This is a really quick build. All you need is some 90-pound paracord. You get red, you get multicolor. I'll post down below where you can get this. These are just clips for ID cards. You're going to drill out this little rivet. I'm going to hold on to it with a pair of needle nose pliers. You could cut off the plastic thing here if you didn't have a drill, but I'm just trying to clean it up a little bit. And you're doing this so you don't hold on to it. And that's what you want right there. This is a 16-inch run. This is a 20-inch run. Cut yourself a length and then just use a little bit of fire scarecrow to finish the ends. On each side you're going to make a loop 2.5 inches long. I'll show you one side and then you just repeat it again. You're going to just make a overhand knot, but you want to have the smallest amount of tail. That's about a 1-inch loop. Before you do the 1-inch loop, just run your clip through here, the paracord over and around, and then just feed that one piece through, and then just lock it down. Feed the other clip through the other side, make yourself another 2.5-inch loop, and repeat the process. Just like that. And ultimately, the length of the cord will be 13.5 inches long, and this one is 9.5 inches. I was pondering how I was going to show you this next round because it's hard to talk and show the back of your neck. So I just figured I'd come up with this situation here. Here's just a regular coat that you would use. So let's start with this one. Use the flush mount side and flush mount side here. And this will probably be good to around 20 miles per hour in wind. If wind was a problem, well, you can double up. Use the other one by making a loop. You want to make a loop. You don't want to just kind of loosely put it in there in case one or more of these fail. I'm thinking 90-pound paracord, either side, 2 clips. This is going to work great for very high winds. Very high winds, you can just take this one here on a hat like this, make a loop, and then clip it on. Want to make sure it's even. And that should work for much higher winds, 30, 40, maybe even more. I'm going to test this out at a park that has rides of around 70 miles an hour. We'll see how it does. So that's for the coat, and that's on there pretty good. How about for a shirt? The shirt is just as strong as the coat. Now I know what you're thinking. How about a hat like this? That's easy to solve too. For one, it's the same. Let's say it's awful windy. It's that really strong windy day. Then all you do, doubling up like that on both sides, I think you're good to about 70 miles an hour. Stay tuned for my next video or series of videos where I put these hat clips to the test in the real world high wind environment. I'll post those videos down below and up here when they become available. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of quirky designs, home repairs, evaluation and designs of photography equipment and sports gear, making and breaking things. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.